welcome to the introduction video for our Park Infovids series. Brian originally thought this one up. This is his idea. And we've been doing some expanding on it. It's going to be sick. Basically what we want to do is, you were originally thinking parks in New Jersey.
Yeah, I was thinking locally parks in New Jersey that we've already visited.
But we want to expand that to parks all over, and eventually maybe even like the West Coast and stuff like that. But what we want to do with them is we want to make this series called Park Infovids. Each video will focus on a different park, like national park, state park, county park, hiking area, bay, anything really.
Protected lands and stuff like that.
Yeah, anything. And we want to just basically go through a format, like general information about the park, like the name and the location, and then talk about the activities that it has, like hiking, biking, kayaking, and then we'll give our opinions. We'll tell you some information about the trails and stuff like that, trail conditions, difficulty, and then I think we also want to go into like some history too, which I think would be a cool addition. Because we were talking about it on the phone earlier today. We found that a lot of the times when we go out to a park to go hiking and stuff like that, you'll go on the park website and there'll be like a paragraph about it and there might be a hiking map, but you can't find like a lot of information on the park, like extensive information and like actually, and when we're doing these videos, by the way, we're going to be at the actual parks, walking around and taking you through what we're talking about. So I think it'll be really cool and really helpful to people who either live here or are visiting here, and other areas when we eventually expand, like we said we were going to do.
Because you're not going into like a park blind, just looking at like a paragraph description online with like, 2 pictures. We're going to have like all different shots and our favorite scenes,
Yeah. So that's our idea. So this will be the introduction video just so that people can get acquainted with the idea of what the Park Infovids series is going to be. No set schedule as of now as to when we'll be releasing videos. Hopefully we'll get the first one out soon, but it's not going to be like every week we release one. It might be in the future, but not to start off with. So yeah, general information, activities, and history. Parks everywhere. Anybody who lives around here, suggestions would be cool because there's a lot of places that you can't even find online that's like a local known place, and we want to hit everywhere.
And we're gonna be exploring like the Barnegat Bay area with kayaks and my boat. We're gonna go out and take you to like little known places. Just to name a few, like Treasure Island, Fisherman's Cove, around Manasquan, and Brielle area. So yeah, that should be very exciting.
Yeah, we're pumped about this. So yeah, once again, third time, this is the introduction video, and we'll make a playlist. Actually, what the hell was that? What was I saying? We'll make a playlist eventually. Actually, we'll make the playlist now and put this in there, and then it'll just be straight up videos about the parks. So yeah, come along with us as we check out the parks. It'll be cool. I really like the idea, and I think that it'll work out well. So hopefully you like the idea too, and we'll see you in the next video.
Yep. Signing off.